from an IT perspective, whether it's good times or bad times, I really see technology being able to help companies in three ways. One is helping them reduce their costs. So technology is able to help companies manage their costs and think through how they improve processes, how they repeat processes, how they improve quality, how they reduce the cost of managing infrastructure or people or activities. The second area is productivity. That's really been the most recent, in the most recent history of IT, is a lot of the focus is on driving productivity, getting more from the resources you have. And productivity in its broadest sense, so that includes the productivity of your decision making, the productivity of your communications, the productivity of the resources you have working on tasks either in manufacturing or ultimately in services. And then the third area is realizing business opportunities. So technology enables businesses, has enabled businesses, entirely new businesses leveraging technology, or allowing you to take your core competencies and expand them to new markets or new domains. And
I think what's happening out in the market today is people and businesses are downsizing their services. So they're getting out of the real estate business. They're outsourcing companies like ours to give them an infrastructure without the high fixed costs. So again, with each location, our clients, not just sole proprietors out there, but Fortune 500 companies that are downsizing are looking to companies like us to have that infrastructure, that prestigious address to use offices and meeting rooms on demand, and having the remote reception services to give them an infrastructure for professionalism and success. Technology is the driving force behind our business. Yes, we are heavily invested in the technology, in our technology infrastructure with our computer telephone integration solutions. But as our customers evolve with working from home, they'll be requiring data backup services and the like to give them a feeling of security. But in terms of how we're going to get there, we are going to be investing in Microsoft products like Microsoft SQL Server to house this. As well, we will be investing in a one-stop data and backup recovery center for our customers to remote in to back up their data working from home. As the economy is in a downward spiral right now, we see this as a time for growth. We are, again, in a great position to target sole proprietors and small businesses to cut their costs and help them operate without having to invest in bricks and mortar. For Intelligent Office, this is the perfect time for our business to consult people how to invest in office space and solutions without getting hit too hard.
When it became evident that we were going into a slowdown, we evaluated our company, and really what we asked ourselves is, what do we want the company to look like when the recession is over? And based on that, we came up with three main objectives. Number one, don't compromise our competitive position. So no matter what we want to cut costs on, it can't compromise our quality, service, or exceptional customer experience. Second thing was to keep our talent. So again, when we start to grow in a few years, the last thing we want to be doing is recruiting and training key positions. We want to hit the ground running. We want to be in a position where we can grow quickly. And the third thing is to invest in things that are going to allow us to take a dominant position in the marketplace once the slowdown is over. So for example, purchase of land is huge for us right now. We're trying to, hopefully, because some of our competitors might be weakened by the recession, we can make purchases on better terms or at a lower price. Another example, we're undertaking an enormous IT project right now. We're looking at every single department in the company. We're either implementing or enhancing current software solutions that we have in those departments. And from my experience with software implementation, it's really time consuming for your managers. And for me, there's no better time than now when things are slow to take on projects like that. And it aligns with the second point I made, which was keeping our talent. We have to kind of keep these guys busy doing something. So